The iPhone 13 is coming this month, so in this video we are going to discuss what we know so far about that particular device. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So the fall is shaping up to be a busy one for Apple and the iPhone, with all rumors suggesting that iPhone 13 lineup is on a track for announcement sometime in mid-September. This means we are already weeks away from seeing what's next for the iPhone. So the first thing is about the naming. It's unclear whether this year iPhone will be iPhone 12s or the iPhone 13, as no leaks has given us a concrete information about that. But there are some reports that suggesting that 2020 iPhone will be indeed called as the iPhone 13. Next is the design. Well, basically the iPhone 13 series is expected to be nearly identical with the iPhone 12, but there are some certain design changes that has been arriving for the iPhone 13. Basically, the first major difference is that the iPhone 13 series is going to be a little bit on the thicker side as compared to their predecessor. Rest of the dimensions are pretty much the same. The iPhone 13 will be coming with a new refined matte back and it will have more grip than that. The camera bump are also expected to be get a little bigger this year, and also there is notable improvements in the camera hardware as well. Moving towards the third major changes which is coming is the display. Well, this time around we are going to see the same display sizes for the iPhone 13 as their predecessor, but there are certainly some changes that are coming inside the display. Basically, the Pro models of the iPhone 13 will be coming with a new LTPO display technology, which will allow Apple to lower the display power usage. This will enable the refresh rate of up to 120Hz, similar to iPad Pro. Bloomberg recently reported that iPhone 13 Pro will also likely feature an always-on display, similar to Apple Watch Series 4. There is also reportedly be a notification area that will light up when a new notification is received. Apple is also expected to reduce the size of the iPhone 13 notch cutout this year for the first time since the iPhone 10 was introduced. Reports also indicated that the iPhone 13 and the 13 Pro notch could be getting around 30% reduction in size in terms of width. It could, however, also get taller because of the Apple is moving the earpiece out of the notch and into the top bezel. Next big change is the camera. While some rumors had indicated that Apple could expand the LiDAR scanner to iPhone 13 mini and the iPhone 13 this year. While some rumors indicate that the LiDAR scanner might be coming in the iPhone 13 and the iPhone 13 mini, but recent report indicated that the iPhone 13 will retain the LiDAR scanner as exclusive to which was exclusive to Pro and Pro Max models instead. The iPhone 13 Pro and the Pro Max are expected to be featuring an upgraded ultra-wide camera going from 5p and fixed focus to 6p autofocus. This should bring notable improvements to the ultra-wide camera, which has notable lagged. The iPhone 13 Pro is also rumored to be adding some features that were exclusive to iPhone 12 Pro Max last year, which could be including a wide lens with a sensor shift stabilization. Anyhow, I am pretty much excited about the Apple iPhone 13. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about this device in the comment section below? Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.